So here's the reality. I actually run a one-person AI business that operates with 0 employees and earns me passive income every single day. And the reason I wanted to make this video is simple. I've seen a lot of YouTubers talk about AI business ideas lately, but after digging deeper, I realized something surprising. Most of them aren't actually running the businesses they talk about. So in this video, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to show you the exact AI tools, the real workflows, and the actual prompts I'm using right now to make money from my one-person automated AI clothing store. And even if you've watched my previous case studies, I highly recommend watching this all the way through because the AI world is changing fast. The tools and workflows I'm using today are already better than what I was using just 3 months ago. Before we dive into the tools, let me quickly explain what this business actually is and how it makes money. One day, I was scrolling through Etsy looking for a clever gift. Specifically, funny clothing designs about specific dog breeds, like corgis or huskies. And that's when I noticed something interesting. There were tons of generic dog shirts, but very few breed-specific designs that were actually clever or funny. So instead of competing with everyone else, I decided to do this. Right Finger create niche-specific clothing. Right Finger for very specific audiences. Right Finger using AI to do most of the work. That's how my AI print-on-demand store was born. Here's how the business works in simple terms. I use print-on-demand platforms like Printify, Printful. These companies already have blank t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters. I upload my designs to their platform. Then I list those products on Etsy for a higher price. When someone buys, the print company prints the product, packages it, ships it to the customer. I pay the wholesale cost. I keep the profit. No inventory. No shipping. No employees. And thanks to AI, almost everything is automated. Now let's talk about how I actually create winning designs. First, I research what's already selling. I'll browse marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, and look for designs with proven demand. For example, I might find a t-shirt on Amazon that's sold over 1,000 units in a month. Most people do this next step wrong. They just copy the design. I don't. Instead, I repurpose the idea into a new niche. And for research, my favorite AI tool right now is Right Finger Gemini Deep Research. Inside Google's Gemini chatbot, I turn on Deep Research and ask it questions like, find other niches where this meme or design style has gone viral. Gemini creates a research plan, searches the internet, analyzes trends, and builds a full report for me including viral niches, visual patterns, popular themes. This alone saves me hours of manual research. Once I have the research, I need creativity. This is where ChatGPT shines. I upload the Gemini report screenshots of existing products, then I ask ChatGPT to brainstorm slogans, create variations, generate funny concepts. ChatGPT acts like a creative business partner. It doesn't just copy, it helps me twist ideas into new, unique products. Now it's time to create the actual images. I've tested Midjourney ChatGPT image generation, but right now, my favorite is Right Finger Google's Nano Banana. You can access it inside Gemini. I simply describe the image I want. If I want changes, remove objects, change colors, adjust style, I just tell it. Nano Banana handles it easily. Once I have my images, I move to Canva Pro. Inside Canva, I crop images, upscale resolution, auto-adjust colors, add text, then I export the final design as PNG, transparent background, high resolution, ready for print on demand. Now comes the most underrated part. Traffic. I focus on free traffic. First, Right Finger Etsy SEO people search. My products show up. To do this, I use Perplexity AI. I ask it to analyze best-selling listings, extract keywords, identify patterns, then I upload that data into ChatGPT and ask it to create titles, descriptions, tags optimized for Etsy search and AI recommendations. Finally, I use Claude to rewrite descriptions so they sound human, not robotic. This helps with conversions, trust, AI visibility. This is where it gets really powerful. I use Gemini Deep Research as my AI CFO and strategist. I upload sales data and ask it to forecast demand, predict trends, analyze growth opportunities. Then I take that report and upload it into Notebook LM. Notebook LM summarizes reports, creates visuals, turns data into podcasts. I literally listen to my business analysis while cooking dinner. It's like having a strategist, a coach, a data analyst, all for free. This is what a real AI business looks like. Not hype. Not theory. Not someday. Just systems working together. If you want more tutorials, prompts, real workflows, make sure you're subscribed to Cashcraft Lab. And if you want my free ebook breaking this down step by step, you'll find it linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.